One word to put it simply, amazing. Hi, my name is Ben. I was really thrilled to be a part of this. I wasn't expecting it to be as good as it was, but I am pleasantly surprised. The social aspect of it, I really like the fact that all the workers would actually talk to us. It just made it a lot better. I'm more of a social person, so I like to talk to people. I definitely showed that I could do it pretty well. I built a good connection with everybody. Yeah, I'm hoping though that when they eventually look at the application, that everything's gonna work out. If it's your first job, they definitely have every resource they can think of to help out. If you don't know what you're doing, trust me, they'll help.